These are the TOZO T10 wireless earbuds. You can select from a variety of colors, whatever you're feeling. The colors it comes with are black, blue, gray, khaki, and white. In the box, it comes with a quick startup guide and the user's manual. The TOZO T10 earbuds. It's also going to come with this black box. That's going to include your USB to USB-C for charging, a strap, and some extra ear tips to fit your size. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, it has a touch-sensitive side to it, which can be used to skip or go back to a track, and it could also be used for voice commands. And it's got the TOZO logo on the other side of it. Now on the case, you can see that it has an indicator to tell you how much battery the case has, and it's got your left and right engraving for your earbuds. On the side, you can see a little hook where you can put the lanyard that it came with right through. And on the back, it has the USB-C connector for charging. One thing I noticed about the case is that when you plug it in, you see the lights coming on right through the case, so you don't have to open it to know what battery it's at. Now, we worry about earbuds running out of power quick, but the TOZO T10's got you covered. Its 45-hour battery with the portable charging case, you could take it anywhere without the battery running out too quick. It also has 2 hours of fast charging, so when you're out of juice and you plug it in, it's going to send as much power as it can as quickly as possible to your earbuds. You could also have the earbuds play music for 10 hours straight. That's how much power it has on a full charge. It's also worth mentioning that the charging case is also compatible with wireless charging. The TOZO T10s also has an IPX8 water rating, so they're pretty resistant, just in case you want to work out with them. Or maybe you accidentally dropped the earbuds in the water. So I took the chance to test out the earbuds outside, and I do have to say it's got some great bass. The downside of it takes a little bit of the quality of the audio away, but it's not that noticeable. I do have to mention though, try to put on the right size ear tip, because if you do, it'll block out most of the outside noise and give you a full bass response. Now, I hooked up a mic to the earbud, so you can give it a listen yourself and see what it sounds like.
Kind of magic is in the air. I feel like flying away.
Now it's time for the microphone test. I'm going to be talking through the earbuds so I can show you the quality of the sound when you're talking on the phone. This is a microphone test for the TOZO T10s to see how good it sounds. Test 1 2 1 2. So, what do I think? If you like bass heavy music, this will definitely fulfill your needs. It still has great sound. Regardless of how much bass it still has that solid clarity. If anything, it makes you feel like you have a movie theater type bass. I gave it a try outside, and I'd say I could definitely use these for myself. And it's also not uncomfortable. I think you'd really enjoy these. These are great for your daily tasks, or if you just want to sit around and enjoy your music. I'm Justin. This is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.